Hello and welcome to another Maximizer tips and tricks video from the team at Collier Pickard. Today we are going to be concentrating on a tool which makes using Maximizer's inbuilt campaign manager a lot easier. If you've ever tried to create a responsive design HTML email in Maximizer's campaign manager, you'll know how challenging it can be. So, for those of you who aren't HTML wizards but do want to create beautiful content and send it using Maximizer's campaign manager, welcome to BeePro. We've put a link to the BeePro website below this video where you can get started with the tool today. For those of you who want to see what BeePro can do, there's a free trial on offer on the site. So, here are the links that we will be working with today. As you can see on the screen, we have both merge tags and special links. These include the standard email tracking links, unsubscribe links, and click tracking links. There's a little bit of setup in BeePro, so you'll need to go to Settings and Merge Tags to set up first. One of the reasons we really like BeePro is how easy it is to add merge tags. All I need to do is click the Add Merge Tag button and then fill out this simple form. The merge field is the name of the basic field or user-defined field from Maximizer, enclosed within square brackets. In my case here, I'm using Account Manager. With special links, it's a very similar setup. To make it easier, in the notes below this video, we put the full list of Maximizer special links in square brackets, so you can just copy and paste. That's the setup done. Now to get those special merge fields into the body of the email, all I need to do is create a text box. Then, from the menu bar, select either special fields or merge tags. If I click on the merge tags option, there is a list of merge fields I can add into the body of this email. When we send this email from Maximizer, it will personalize the content with data that relates to the person you are sending it to. Inserting special links is just the same, and it's easy to select one or more of these links. Another handy hint is if you want to change the words displayed, just click on the link builder and then go right ahead and change the text to display. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us through the comment section below or email us at crm@collierpickard.co.uk. Thank you very much.